Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something for you a little bit different. I actually had a request on how I achieve my high halfway up ponytail. I will insert a picture right here so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So today I am going to share with you guys how I achieve this hairstyle. I actually know that it's really on trend right now, so I hope that this helps you if you have been trying to just achieve this look on yourself. That's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I hope you are all doing well and staying healthy and just safe. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of these videos coming your way. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. To start off, I did try to actually film this video prior, and I had just washed my hair and it did not come out good. I do remember that time that I did that hairstyle, I actually wanted to do something because I had a couple days without washing my hair. So that's why I kind of wanted to pick it up from the front, because that's usually where I get like the most oily parts of my hair. Now that I tried to recreate it and I did it once I had just washed my hair, it did not come out as that other time. So I just waited a couple days until I had like 3 days without washing my hair to actually recreate that hairstyle to see if it did came out the same. So that is what I'm doing today, and that's what I noticed personally on my hair. I know that whenever I try to achieve like a very voluminous, just curly hairstyle, I do actually have to do it when my hair is not clean, because otherwise, if it's just been washed, my hair will not withhold the curls. They will just fall and they won't last. So that is what I have noticed personally on me. I don't really like to use hairspray on my hair when I first wash it to achieve the curls. I think I could probably do that, but I just don't like to apply hairstyle to my clean hair because I just feel like it gets dirty even faster. I don't know, that's just my thing, but yeah, those are just some of the things that I have noticed personally on me. So just to get started with the hairstyle, the first thing that I do is, of course, right now I have my hair on a bun. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let it loose. And yeah, I have not washed my hair. I probably will wash it today because it is due for a wash already. First of all, I went ahead and just put my hair on the high ponytail. So how I do that and where I saw that it just best came out is I went ahead and placed my fingers like this next to my ears onto my hair, and I just pretty much ran it all the way up until they met, and that is pretty much what I'm going to grab for the ponytail itself. So you're actually not grabbing a lot of hair, if you can actually tell. I'm just pretty much grabbing the front part of my hair, and you're pretty much just gonna have that up as the ponytail. So this is what we're gonna use for the high ponytail. This is where we're gonna really work on to achieve a very sleek look right here on the front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and hold my bottom hair with a hair tie. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back together and just hold it, because we're just gonna be working with the top part first. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be working with. So this part here on the front, I really just like to make it really sleek and just really pulled so that it looks even nicer. The way that I achieve that is I actually took this from my husband, so he might know that I have it now because he probably will see this video. But I really enjoy using this brush. He actually has curly hair himself, so he uses these types of brushes to just comb through his hair. He actually got this, I believe, at Walmart, and it's called a wave brush. I really like this one because it's kind of soft but it's sturdy at the same time. I just really like it. So I use this comb to just really achieve that sleek look in the front, and it really just pulls my hair nicely. For today, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of hairspray. So I'm just gonna use this Suave hairspray here. And that's just really gonna hold the little hairs that I have in the front, because I do have a lot of like small hairs. As you can see here, I'm just pretty much going to brush my hair up. And I hate these little hairs because that's where I struggled last time too. I just couldn't get them all in place. But it's supposed to be looking something like that. Now I just want to make sure that I am really pulling it, that it's almost giving you like a facelift. That's how I like to do this hairstyle. Just make sure that you do keep it like very on the top, because then you won't be able to see it if you pull it more towards the back. So just make sure you keep it on the top of your head. And then what I like to do, just so that I ensure that none of the little hairs come off from here, I'm gonna go ahead and just twist it. Once I've twisted it, then I'm just gonna grab my another hair tie, and I'm going to start tying it as close as possible to the base so that the hairs don't come off when you let go of it. I do it like this, and then I just pull it up so that I know that it's like way at the top, and then I'll just kind of pull it down like that, and I think that's more or less my center. So that is how we achieve the first step of the hairstyle. This is probably gonna be like the most, I guess, time consuming. If you have this down, pretty much you have the whole hairstyle down, because everything else is just pretty much curling your hair, which you probably already very used to doing that. This is how it looks just straight, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and just let loose of my bottom part. And then this is how it's supposed to look, more or less. If you have extensions, or if you have just a lot of hair, I'm sure it's gonna look even nicer and more voluminous. But this is just my natural hair, so I don't really have that much hair, and my hair is kind of very thin. This is just what I'm working with here today. So now I'm pretty much just gonna go in and curl my hair as usual. I am going to be using my curling wand, and I actually have this Lange curling wand. So this is the biggest one that they have. This is the 32 mm barrel size. So I'm going to start off with just the bottom part. So if you just want this one to be out of the way, what I like to do is I just grab a bobby pin so I can just hold it in place here on the top. And I'll start off with this one right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a piece. And with these types of curls, I really like to just grab a large amount of hair and work with that at a time. So I'll go ahead and grab the wand, and I'm gonna start from the bottom, and then I'll wrap my hair onto the wand, and then I'll twist it if I need it to be a little bit more close to my scalp. And I'll pretty much just do this for the rest of my hair. So I just comb through my hair, then I'm gonna put the wand on the bottom of the hair, and then I'm just gonna wrap through the top very carefully. And then I just like to wait maybe like 20 seconds, and then I'll go on and move on to the next one. So now I'm just gonna move on to the actual ponytail that we did. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this bobby pin that I applied, and I'm just gonna tighten it up one more time. So now what I just really like to do to avoid seeing that hair tie, I just grab a little piece of my hair from the back of this pony, and then I'll just pretty much wrap this around so that it looks like I tied it with the hair. with that bobby pin that I had, I'm just gonna pretty much insert that here to tie it and make sure that it doesn't move, just like that. So now it looks even nicer with the hair wrapped around the hair tie. So now this is a part where I'm gonna just part it in 3 sections. I pretty much just do 3 curls, so I'll just part it like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this part here. So I'm just gonna take the wand and I'm gonna wrap this hair piece like that. Just make sure that you do get it on a nice angle so that you can really curl it nicely, because this is pretty much what you're gonna be seeing with this hairstyle. And then just release it. So you see how that looks? Just looks really nice. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and really kind of fix it so that it looks more uniform. So I'm just gonna do the same technique. I'm just gonna press it, and then now I'm gonna just go ahead and spread the curls apart. And then now I'm just gonna go in and also do the same with the bottom part of my hair. And this is pretty much all that you have to do. You could add a little bit of hairspray at this point if you just really want them to last longer. I'm probably gonna wash my hair after this anyway, so I'm not even going to apply more hairspray. But yeah, this is pretty much how I achieved this halfway up high ponytail. I hope that this was helpful, just helping you recreate it on your own. It is a very easy hairstyle, but it looks like you actually took a very long time to do. Definitely try it out if you haven't already. That is pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I loved hanging out with you again today. Remember to be kind to one another, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Stay scrumptious. Bye guys.